Okay, so here's my first experiment really controlling the servo there, and you can see its its little arm right there with one of these rotary encoders. Even though I have both of them on the board and wired up to my Arduino board, I'm only using the one on the far left for right now. And what I'm trying to do, or actually what I am doing, is as I move the rotary encoder, the servo over here will move an appropriate amount. Now this is a standard servo. It only moves 180 degrees. So it'll go from 0 to like 180, and 90 would be like what would be in the middle here. So and there's a 9-volt battery to give you a size comparison because it kind of looks huge on the screen. So anyways, when I reset my little test code here, it'll swing the servo motor to both of its limits, meaning 0 and 179, and then move it to the middle position, which is 90, and then it'll wait for input from the rotary encoder, and then it'll move correspondingly. So let's go on and reset our board. Okay, so you saw it go to the 2 limits, now it's parked in the middle. Now as we move the encoder, you can see the servo arm moving an appropriate amount. And I'm moving it in steps of 10 degrees right now. This rotary encoder here has 20 steps per revolution, and it's only taking us 18 steps to go from full one limit to full the other right limit. Okay, so that's it. That's the start of our fly-by-wire system. Signing out.